please.
Mr. Uzair Khan.
Go. Rusan Bhatti,
Mr.
go.
Uzair Khan.
Go.
Hi, my name is Vishwan.
Hi, I am Rakhan.
Today I'm going to show you the new surprise.
Yeah,
You got the candies.
and two popcorn.
Okay, look. Okay, me.
Woo!
First, you open that one. And from where you got it?
But now, because he's going to give me some corn and some cotton candy. There's some beautiful colors.
Yeah.
Pink is just beautiful.
Okay, now open the next one.
What put the Masala give me? Give me. I had to put them aside.
Well, open it.
But I had to put them back here. I got their balls on the bed. Okay, let's open the next one. Wait, I'm going to put it the same way. Maggie, come on. Let's put it.
Yeah. Wow. What is it, Mom?
We got this. And I don't know what is this. Look at that
We
yet.
got this. We got this.
We got this also. We also have this chocolate.
We got
Wait,
this.
This. I don't know what kind of chocolate.
Have some
And we have also,
have the wheat on it.
I don't know what the kind of, also this.
This is red chili powder.
So many wheats. Let's count it. 1, 2,
More and there,
3.
There is one more ready-made spices.
no, only rice. And we also have, yes, there's some other, okay.
Wow!
Chips.
Chips too.
And
Some candies.
what?
More candies.
They're chocolates.
Oh, these are chocolates.
Oh, these are your favorite.
Ah, this is my favorite. And the cooking oil.
It's Cookie
Okay,
Boy.
give it to me. Thank you.
What's this?
Oh,
Oh, a soda can.
Soda can?
it's wine juice.
Okay.
And it's also your favorite.
Thank you.
And there, ooh.
Wow! What is
A
that?
chocolate. Oh my God, there's juice. There's
So many juices.
There are apple juice.
Apple juice
And
and strawberry milkshake.
What? Oh, there's some strawberry fruits. There we go.
What is this?
Apple juice. Yes.
Show me that big one behind you, the purple one. This is chocolate box. Wow! Oh my God, so pretty.
So many things around.
That's it?
Open it.
No more?
Let's open it.
Okay, now you have to say thank you, Alfatah Mall.
Thank you, Alfatah. Thank you, Alfatah.
Bye bye.
Bye bye, Alfatah. And we will have candies. And I will just, and I will.
One of me.
No, just wait, scale check is when we check it. Or too heavy. Yeah.
Fish. One. Let's go for mission.
Oopsie! Wow! We got so many chocolates inside! Thank you.
Let's count them. One.
Okay, get aside from
Wait,
the
what?
camera, please.
Wow! It's a
Wow.
big one. See, Dad? I just. Oh my god. Yeah! I did.
There is one more surprise under this box.
This.
Pick up the box. Yes.
This. Wow! So many.
This is this bird one.
I want this one.
Okay, now you have to say thank you, Kernelpop.
Thank you, Papa.
What is